I'm going to show you how to fix 0x80004005 error in Windows 10. For this, go to Start menu and type Troubleshoot. From the search result, you have to click on it. OK, so now click on Windows Update, then select Run the Troubleshoot. It will start detecting problems and also it will take some time to complete this process. Okay, finally click on this option. Close all windows. Now open any browser. Copy the link from description. It on browser. Now we are going to download update troubleshoot for Windows 10. So click here to download the file. Now open it. Here double click on a file. Then click on next. Click on this option and again select next. It will also take some time to complete the process. So finally close all windows. And restart your computer. Your problem will be solved. You are good to go.